What's up guys, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in to another video. Well, you already see where we're at today. We are back at the dyno. Heavily requested video. A lot of you guys want to see what the Whipple puts down, and I do too. So today we brought the car over to MD Automotive once again. We wanted to keep it consistent with the same dyno, so we can kind of see the power gains with the Gen 5 Whipple blower. There it is. We're letting it cool off a little bit right now. It's definitely a warmer day outside, and I had to drive through a little bit of traffic to get here. But super excited to see what this thing does today. I'm expecting low 600s. Numbers wise, that's kind of where it should be, on pump gas. So this is just the Whipple calibration, so nothing else going on with the car. Everything is just, stage 2 kit, and that's it. So I know on 93 people probably get mid 6s, so I'm guessing on 91 we'll see low 6s today. So yeah, pretty excited to see how this thing kind of does. Go ahead, drop your guesses down in the comments below before you watch the full video, and let's see if you guys get pretty close to the numbers we get today. So yeah, this is a dyno jet. For anyone that's wondering, we're going to show you standard and SAE corrected numbers. We're going to share both of them with you. And right now we're just letting the car kind of cool off a little bit to make sure it's not heat soaked once we start doing the pulls. So I'm not going to take it too high up. I don't want to bounce it off the red line or anything like that, just because I don't have the oil pump gears done just yet. So we're going to be a little cautious and try to stay in a safe zone. So yeah, go ahead, drop your guesses right now, and we're about to get started here any second. So we just did a little bit of a test hit right now. She spun on the dyno, so we're gonna tighten everything down, make sure that it's safe. Last thing I need is this thing falling off the dyno right now. All right, here we go. She just threw down 649, 514 torque on that pass. So mid 600s at the wheels. Pretty good. Yeah.
Hey, say this is gonna make some good power. That was 7100. It makes 650. Oh really? And it's already on SAE.
So that's SAE corrected numbers. It made 649, 47 at 514. Do you want to take it up a little higher?
Yeah, I was gonna.
Yeah, play it safe. Yeah, me too. Here we go, boys. Fingers crossed for more power. More power. God, 662 horsepower, 521 torque, SAE corrected with fast smoothing, boys and girls. She is throwing down some power. Jeez. And she's a little hot. And she's a little hot. My goodness, are we making some awesome power right now. You want to let it cool off? What? Yeah, I'm down. Yeah. Dude, what do you think of those numbers? For a Whipple tune, that's pretty damn good. I mean,
that's the can tune, right?
That's their, yeah, load on tune.
I took it a little bit higher than this.
So yeah, you took it a little higher. You went about 200 RPM higher, and it gained like 13 horse. Torque went up 6.
How much did we go into? That was
like 7,300.
73. That's with cats, with everything. I mean, this thing is just bolt-on. This is a little comparison of before and after. So we went from 469 to 662, and then the torque went from 429 to 521. So not the biggest torque increase, because as you guys know, the Coyotes don't make too much torque, but the power increase is damn impressive. I mean, it's about 38 horsepower shy of 700 at the wheels, and it is just a stock calibration, so nothing is done to it this far. So I mean I'm pretty thrilled with that, considering I haven't even touched anything other than just got the kit installed and it's on pump gas. All right guys, so I'm gonna get a chance to actually run my car on the dyno, thanks to MD Automotive for letting me give it a shot. He's gonna guide me through it, my first dyno pull, doing it by myself, so we're gonna try this out. And we're doing like a POV cam, so you guys get to see exactly how it looks inside when the run happens. So it's gonna be pretty exciting.
Okay, so you really don't have to worry about anything down below those 2 buttons there. Okay, this is the brake for the dyno.
Okay.
The brake is off at this point.
Because it's not flashing.
It's not flashing. So when you make the run, you shift it into just nice and smooth to 4th gear. Let it stabilize about 2,000, 2,500 right in that RPM range.
And then start taking it up.
Okay. When you make the run, you hit the green button.
Okay.
And you accelerate at the same time. You don't have to like mash it, because then it jerks everything. Yeah. It's hard on the suspension and the straps and all that stuff. So when you see the dynos fly off the dyno, that's because they're nailing it and
too hard,
stretching all the straps and breaking things.
Okay.
So you just want to roll into it.
So at the same time.
Yep.
So like just press and then go.
And then go.
Okay.
Nice, just a nice wah, you know, just
okay.
Smooth.
Foot to the floor.
To the floor. Watch your RPM go all the way up. Once it hits the desired RPM,
let off.
Hit the green button. You can hit the green button before you even let off. Okay. That basically records the dyno run. Okay. And then you hit the red button, which flashes, puts the brakes on. It takes a long time to slow down because it's rolling. Okay, so it doesn't instantly brake. It's not instantly brake. Do not use the car brakes. Okay. Because it'll lock the tires. Okay, so just let it do its own thing. Let it do its thing. Put the red button on. You know, once it gets to a safe RPM, pull it out of gear. And
put it in neutral. Okay.
Yeah, just let it coast down. Okay.
All right, cool. Sounds good. Ready?
No,
pretty ready. I don't need the seatbelt. We're not going nowhere. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we'll turn this off.
So flashing light off. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah? Oh my goodness. I made less power. Because did I take it not high up enough?
No, only 7,100.
It felt like it was going pretty high up there. So we took it at 71.3. So the highest run is 73. So 658. Well, that's still pretty good power.
It looks better on there now. What did you do different? I think you started A little higher up in the RPM range, like over. Okay, that's because you weren't all the way on it.
Yeah. You can tell my hesitation and
That's your first time doing it, so.
Yeah, let's leave it to the pros. Let's leave it to the pros.
I thought you'd like to do that.
Yeah, no, it was a good experience for sure. We're gonna do the last run of the day. We let the car cool off again. Hopefully this is the one where we can get some really good power out of her. So highest number so far is 662. And we are about to let it rip, tater chip. So highest numbers of the day, 666, and max torque of 522 at the wheels. SAE corrected numbers, so there's no excuses there. The air fuel is looking pretty good. Yeah, is that good? Good stuff. All right, so that will be a wrap on today's dyno. Let me know what you guys think below, man. I'm pretty happy with this thing, man. You know, considering it is on a Whipple tune, she is definitely moving and grooving real well. Standard, SA corrected, we did both. Now it's time to go ahead and take her off the dyno and give her a nice bath today. She deserves it. She earned it, man. She worked hard to put down some solid numbers, and impressed, man. I'm definitely impressed. So this is just a stock Whipple calibration, 91. Highest run we did 666 and 520. But anyways, we wrapped up the dyno runs for today. I'm pretty happy with how my car did. Ignore the fact that my car is extremely dirty right now, but I wanted to give a huge shout out to MD Automotive in Westminster. If you are looking to dyno your car, definitely hit him up. Mark is the man. He's done all the dyno runs for both my Mustang and my Challenger. Does an awesome job every time, and he's just a real nice guy. So if you are looking to get your car dynoed, I get asked all the time, hit up MD Automotive. He'll get you scheduled in, you know, maybe sometime during the week or the weekends. And if you're going there, hit me up. I'd love to cruise by, see your guys' cars and see what you guys put down on the dyno. It'll be fun. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.